In this video, let's see the 1.5-inch wheel spacers before and after. After installing the 1.5-inch Jeep wheel spacers, it can reduce the gap between the tires and the fender. This improves the cosmetic and stability. Most Jeep Wranglers look better when the wheel gap is not so pronounced. Consider a proper set of 1.5-inch wheel spacers if you are trying to achieve a unique sporty look. 1.5-inch wheel spacers will add about 1.5-inch back spacing for your wheels. Whether you upgrade to larger diameter wheels or bigger performance brakes, keeping the back spacing correct will avoid most rubbing issues. If you put 1.5-inch wheel spacers on each wheel, that adds a total of 3-inch track width. If you are concerned that the spacers will cause vibration, we recommend that you buy high-quality half-century wheel spacers. A half-century wheel spacers comes with a half-century lift to transition. The protrusion may extend a few millimeters beyond the half-century lift of the wheel spacer on some vehicles. In this case, you will need to change to the wheel spacers with thinner half-century lifts. For a better fit of the wheel spacers to the hub projection, use BONOSS half-century 1.5-inch wheel spacers. Every vehicle is different. As long as you choose the right half-century 1.5-inch wheel spacers, there is no problem. The precision of the BONOSS Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers has reached 0.02 mm. Precise Jeep wheel spacers providing high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability. They also ensure a smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts. 1.5-inch wheel spacers fit the Jeep Wrangler perfectly. The wheel spacers push the wheel out slightly, unlike these outstands. You can install the 1.5-inch wheel spacers on your Jeep Wrangler front and rear wheels if you want to, but do not forget to install the same size of wheel spacers on the wheel as well. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.